In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find your license number in QuickBooks. If you've ever needed it for support, reinstalling, or verifying your subscription, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where it lives in the app and how to copy it safely. Start by opening your preferred web browser and signing into QuickBooks. Make sure you're in the correct company if your account has access to more than one. You can confirm that from the company name displayed at the top of the screen. Using a current supported browser helps everything load smoothly. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the upper right corner and open the Settings menu. This is the small gear icon next to your profile. Clicking it reveals a panel with account options. Give the page a second to load if your connection is slow. The right menu can appear after the rest of the dashboard. From that Settings panel, select Additional Info. Depending on your layout, you may need to scroll the menu a bit to see it. If your window is narrow, the menu items can collapse, so widening your browser or scrolling usually brings it into view. After you open Additional Info, you'll see details about your account, including the license number. Take a moment to locate it on the page, then copy it. You can highlight the number and use your keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac, or right-click and choose Copy. For safekeeping, consider pasting it into a secure note or a trusted password manager, and avoid sharing it in public forums or unencrypted messages. If you don't see the license number right away, confirm you're signed in with a role that has access to account information and double-check you're viewing the intended company. Sometimes a quick refresh brings the section into focus. Interface labels can change slightly with product updates, but Additional Info is the place that consistently surfaces the license details. That's all there is to it. Go to QuickBooks, open the Settings menu on the right, click Additional Info, and copy your license number. Keep it handy for future troubleshooting or subscription changes and store it securely. If you maintain internal documentation, note the date, the company it applies to, and where you saved it. And on shared computers, clear the clipboard afterward to prevent accidental exposure. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, feel free to replay any part while you follow along, and you'll have your license number ready in just a minute.